This 5-minute solution will show you how to block Twitch ads. Blocking your Twitch ads is really very easy process. So first of all, launch your Google Chrome browser and open Google Chrome Web Store. Once you are in Google Chrome Web Store, click on this search box and write here Tampermonkey. And all you have to need, just install this Tampermonkey extension. Click on this little puzzle icon and here pin the Tampermonkey extension. Then click on Tampermonkey extension icon and click on find new scripts. Click on this search box and write here Twitch. Click on search. And in this page, you have to find out this Twitch ad solutions link. Now click on it. In this page, scroll down. Under script section, you will get this user script link. So click on it. And here, all you have to need, just install this Twitch ad solution script by clicking on install. Once it's installed, it will block all of your Twitch ads. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.